Hi, my name is Dayton and I'm the co-founder of Scolish. Besides building Scolish, I also work as a technology product innovator in Toronto, Canada. So for the longest time, I've been curious about how learning and education affects younger children, because I strongly believe that the quality of knowledge transfer at every stage of life, either via experiential learning or even via traditional schooling as we know it, really goes a long way in laying the foundation for anyone or an adult in the workforce and in the society as a whole. So this has led to the birth of Scolish, and Scolish is an organization with the mission to build a world where every child can reach their full potential. On this channel, we'll feature various categories of content around learning and education mostly, and this could range from how-tos and tutorials for children, parents, and teachers. There could also be stories and experiences and also conversations from and with parents and teachers and also industry experts about different subject matter within education and learning that can help us. We could also have resources and tools that can support you as a parent, a teacher, or a school administrator actually in raising and tutoring formidable adults of the future. I'm open to hearing from you and taking the conversation beyond the comment section and the chat boxes into real life value that could be beneficial for you, for your little one as well. And hopefully as we go along, we're able to help them reach their future and their full potential one step at a time. I'm here to support you as a parent, I'm here to support you as a student, and I'm here to support you as a teacher. So please feel free to reach out to me with questions and comments at any time via the communication and social channels that I will link in the description box below. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and be your best self. Bye.